In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator to your repository in GitHub. This is useful when you're working on a project with others and need to give them access to contribute to your code. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns or has the required permissions for the repository. After signing in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Look at the left panel where you'll find your repositories and click on the repository you want to share. Once you've opened the repository, look at the top toolbar and click on Settings. This is where you can manage your repository's configuration and access controls. In the Settings area, look at the left sidebar and find Collaborators. Click on it to open the Collaborators management page. On the Collaborators page, click Add People. This will open a search field where you can find the person you want to invite. Enter their GitHub username, full name, or email address. As you type, GitHub will display matching accounts. Once you find the correct person, select their profile and click Add to send the invitation. GitHub will send the person an invitation to collaborate on your repository. They'll need to accept the invitation before they can access the repository according to the permissions you've granted. And that's it. You've successfully added a collaborator to your GitHub repository and can now work together on your project. Thanks for watching.